chance of rain 70%. Tonight, showers. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Rockingham County in western Virginia, southwestern Page County in northwestern Virginia, the city of Harrisonburg in western Virginia, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Timberville, Oregon, 17 miles north of Harrisonburg, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Harrisonburg, Broadway, Timberville, Shenandoah, Massanutten, Elkton, Tunis, Penn Laird, Youngstown, Cherry Grove, Lacey Spring, Falks Run, Singers Glen, Leanville, Burton, and Kieseltown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.